After releasing the word snake tool, we've had a bunch of requests to add a number snake option. You asked, we listened, and now you have the ability to create number snake puzzles. Let's head over to a book creator and I'll demonstrate how to use this new ability. To get to the number snake tool, you can either click on Activity Books, Word and Number Snake Puzzle Tool, or just click on the icon. The number snake tool offers you all of the same abilities as our word snake tool, so go and check out the tutorial video to learn how to use all of the features. I'm just going to go over the features specific to the number snake puzzle in this video. To select number snake, you go under Book Settings, Puzzle Type, and switch it from word snake to number snake. Then go to Puzzle Settings and select how many digits you're going to have in each one of your puzzles. I'm going to switch this to 4 for right now. And let's do a bunch of numbers. I also want to go with 8.5 by 11. So let's hit refresh. And this is what it looks like. Now you're getting the numbers here going off the edge of the page. That's because the font size is too big for it to fit all of the numbers onto the page. So to fix that, first we're going to increase the number of columns and then we're going to decrease the font size. And let's try that again. Now we have all the numbers that are in the puzzle. Go in the answer. This is what your answer is going to look like. And if you want to be able to fit more numbers in, you're going to want to increase the letters across and or the letters down. So this time we should get more of the numbers in our puzzles. So we have more numbers, and that's what this looks like. And it didn't get quite all 80 numbers, so let's increase it maybe a little bit more. And now it's getting all of our numbers in. And here's what our answer pages look like. If you don't like having a lot of blank space, you could pull this down a little bit. So if we did 1 and 21, now we have pretty much the entire grid taken up and we still have all 80 puzzles. So that's good. So that's probably the sweet spot here with 21 by 21. As with the word snake, we can have 1, 2, or 4 answers. So let's do it with 4. Now we have 4 word snakes answers on the same page. And if you're doing a lot of puzzles, you're probably going to want to do 4 per page. That way you can fit in more puzzles in your book and it won't be too big. Last thing I'm going to show you is ability to do 2-page puzzles. Let's go ahead and do a refresh. When you do that, you're going to have your number list here on one page, your puzzle on another page, and your answer on the last page. And you can move this down if you want, if you don't like it being so far away from the puzzle under title and word settings. So if we want to have our title start down lower, we just change this number here, start title at, and now your title has been moved down. So you can keep moving it down until you get it to exactly where you want it, like so. And you can also change this up. So if you're doing 2-page puzzles, you're probably doing them for the large print audience, in which case you're going to want your number list to be at least 18 font size. I'm going to go with 20 and I'm going to reduce the number of columns to 3. Let's see what that looks like. And that's a lot better if you're trying to create puzzles for the large print audience. You can also add a title above your list. Let's make that 22. And you can change the size of these numbers, which is under puzzle settings. Let's move that up to 20. Now let's make sure our title is also 22. Okay, perfect. So let's refresh. And that's better. So now we have our list of numbers, our puzzle, our answer pages. And now that we like the way everything looks, we just click the download button. And here's our final PDF. So we have the number list, and then the puzzle, the number list puzzle for each one of the 4 puzzles that we did, and then we have the answer pages. And you have it, an overview into the capabilities of our new word number tool. These puzzles will be a great addition to your next activity book. If you have any questions about how to use this tool or suggestions for new features to add to this tool, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Your journey to crafting journals, planners, logbooks, and more starts here. Get going now with a free 3-day trial at abookcreator.com.